Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Airalo on Android. Alright, let's begin. Airalo is a convenient app that lets you buy and activate eSIMs for international travel directly from your Android phone. To use Airalo on Android, start by downloading the Airalo app from the Google Play Store and create an account or log in. Once you're in, browse through the available eSIMs by selecting your destination country or region. Choose a data plan that fits your needs, then tap Buy Now, and complete the purchase using your preferred payment method. After the purchase, tap on My eSIMs in the app, find your newly bought eSIM, and select Install eSIM or Access Data. Airalo provides step-by-step instructions to help you install the eSIM manually or automatically, depending on your Android device's compatibility. If your phone supports automatic installation, simply follow the prompts to add the eSIM to your device. For manual installation, go to your phone's Settings, go to Network and Internet or Connections, then SIMs or Mobile Network, and scan the QR code provided in the app. As my device doesn't support eSIM, that's why that option is not visible here. But if your device does, you can simply follow these for manual installation. Now, once the eSIM is installed, enable it and make sure your mobile data is turned on. You may also need to set the eSIM as your preferred SIM for mobile data in your phone's settings. Now you're ready to use the internet with your Airalo eSIM wherever you travel. No need to swap physical SIM cards or hunt for local providers. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Airalo on Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.